It's in my shoulders. Man. Alright. Alright. Congratulations. Alright. A more fuller planet for this competition. Alright. So you guys gonna see what you get. Come into the Mr. Bahamas, a real, full, professional bodybuilder. I've been working, so now you get to see how I gonna take